Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making Capellini Aglio con Gamberi, which is Italian for garlic capellini with shrimp. This is a wonderful, light, quick pasta dish that's great for a hot summer's day. Let's take a look at what we're going to need to make it, okay? To make Capellini Aglio con Gamberi, you're going to need 85 grams dry of capellini. You're going to need about 340 grams of shrimp. I am using black tiger prawns. You're going to need 4 cloves of garlic, about 20 to 30 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons, that's 30 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, paprika, thyme, oregano, and crushed red pepper. Capellini is a very fine, long, round pasta, similar to what many people know as angel hair pasta. If you don't have access to that, you can use vermicelli or slightly thicker spaghettini. Start by peeling and removing the tails from the shrimp or prawns. Next, peel and press your 4 cloves of garlic. With your prawns peeled and garlic pressed, you are ready to start cooking. At this point, it goes real quick. Add your butter to a frying pan. Boil some water in a pot over high heat and melt your butter over medium-high heat. If your butter is done melting before the water has boiled, turn the heat down to medium to keep it warm, but you want the water to be boiling when you get started over here. When your water is starting to boil like this, if you had to turn the temperature down, turn the temperature back up to medium-high on the butter, turn the temperature on the water down to medium-high, and add your garlic to the butter and fry for about a minute or 2. When the garlic starts to be fragrant, add the capellini to the boiling water. Capellini will take just 5 minutes to cook because it is very fine.
Weidet mich auf einer grünen Au und führet mich zum frischen Wasser. Und ob ich schon wanderte im finstern Tal, fürchte ich.
And add your prawns to your butter and cook for 1 to 2 minutes per side. prawns have turned completely pink, no more gray, remove them from the heat. And add them to a large mixing bowl.
Erquicket meine Seele. Führet mich auf rechter Straße meines Namens willen. Und ob ich schon wanderte.
Add salt.
Kein Unglück, denn du bist bei mir.
Pepper.
Trösten mich. Du bereitest vor mir einen Tisch im Angesicht meiner Feinde.
Paprika.
Du salbest mein Haupt mit Öl und schenkest mir voll ein.
Thyme.
Gutes und Barmherzigkeit werden mir folgen mein Leben lang. Und ich werde bleiben im Hause des Herrn immer da.
And oregano. Toss to coat the prawns in the herbs and spices. Once your capellini is done cooking, remove it from the heat and drain it. Add your capellini to the prawns. Add your olive oil. And your crushed red pepper flakes. Again, toss to mix and coat. The crushed red pepper flakes can add a real kick to this dish, so if you like it spicy, add more. If you're not a fan of spicy foods, add less. And there you have Capellini Aglio con Gamberi. As I said, this is a great summer dish. The heat of the herbs and spices is balanced wonderfully with the lightness of the olive oil and capellini. It's great for a warm, sunny day, but I eat it year-round. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. If you enjoyed this, you can click up here to subscribe, and down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think that you'll enjoy from my channel. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it, and I'll see you next time.